Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's start with the contextual of this debate. Is that City is a 25-year-old in the future, and she wants her parents to stay healthy and happy, right? Tejo is her boyfriend, which is a 25-year-old income individual. Now, Tejo cannot provide food. She cannot provide anything but food, so they have just enough to get through for the two of them. Now, Mang Oleh is um, a rich 40-year-old that is a widow, and he proposes Siti as his wife. Now, we will prove to you why Siti will be most happiest with Mang Oleh, and which is better, second, which better for Siti's future. It is because better relationship and better income. And then third, why it's this better for her parents. What's wrong with does she want it to be with her parents? I I have already explained that Mang Oleh is a widow and has no kids, right? Okay, so let's get that out of the way. Our stance is that as City, we will say yes to Mang Oleh. So our goal is to provide a better future for both City and her family. Our mechanism is that we will break up with Tejo and then we will marry Mang Oleh instead. Okay. With that out of the way, let's move on to arguments. Okay. City's relationship with Mang Oleh will be much more stable. Okay, there are a lot of factors to this, right? Let's start with the practical benefits that is most obvious in this debate. You have money, you have a much more better guarantee of a better life in the future because you're financially stable, right? Okay, now with that out of the way, what is the factor of creating a good relationship? We think it isn't just love; it is also financial stability and respect. Um, Maole isn't a person who is disrespectful. In fact, he's a normal person that loves City. It's just that she has a boyfriend. So he loves City, so that's why he proposes to her. And then second, the last factor in creating a good relationship is being able to help each other when in need. Okay, what does a husband do in a relationship? Okay, a husband is to provide for his wife, right? Because Tejo is poor, he might not be able to provide as much as Mang Oleh in um, in the relationship. Second is let me tell you also why people divorce. The biggest reason why people divorce is because of financial unstability, because is they're poor, because they fight with each other about financial stability. They argue about which is more important in a relationship, this or that, what they need to spend their money on. It's very hard for them to decide. So there's going to be a conflict in how they spend their money and etc. So that's why, like, the biggest reason of divorce is financial instability. Second, we think that feelings can change. How is feelings formed? Okay, it's through experience. Okay, age does not matter as long as it's consensual. And City is a 25-year-old. She can consent. Just like falling in love is possible, falling out of love is possible. Just because you're under stress and then you get mad at everyone because when you're under stress you have no money, you get mad easily, right? So this makes City get mad at Tejo a lot. So you can't guarantee that they will keep they will stay in love forever in Tejo and City's relationship. Okay, So in our side, we think that it is completely possible, but it's okay if it's not likely, because we think that she still has the practical benefits, but we think that it's still possible for her to fall in love with Mang Oleh. And if you look at uh Tejo, Tejo's background, he does not have that much money to provide for anyone else besides those two, right? So given his background, he might not be able to provide for kids. So if City wants kids, which if she does, he cannot provide for her kids. So she potentially has to live with a life where she has no kids. Whereas in Mang Oleh, she can have kids, she is financially stable, and etc. Second, this will make her parents happier. Okay, if she is in a terrible state, obviously her parents will be worried about her. And then they're going to they're going to be scared of her future. Her parents wants to ensure her future, and etc. And second of all, it can actually provide these parents with medical benefits. For example, if her parents is sick, her Mang Oleh can provide hospital can like pay for the hospital fees and etc. This will make her parents happy and healthy, which is within City's interest. There's so many practical benefits for City to go with Mang Oleh. You shouldn't that she should choose Mang Oleh to be her husband. While in Tejo, it's super hard for her to create a stable relationship, because you can't guarantee that she will stay with Tejo for all her life. And if she does, she's going to be in a situation where she's always facing hard reality that she can't afford things, she can't have kids, or etc. Things like that. So we think that it's so much more better and so much more within City's interest to marry Mang Oleh. That's why we think that you should choose for government in this debate. Thank you very much.
Check.
Thank you.
Prime Minister have already spent 7 minutes and 42. To open the opposition case, I would like to invite leader opposition. Time is yours.
Hello, am I audible? Yes, sure.
Yes, you are out.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Well, I'll start my speech from 1, 3, 2, 1. Distinguished member of this house, we believe that since the government mentioned about how the relationship between the true relationship is how the sacrifice is needed is how a scenario will be going on, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see from the government team, they mentioned about how the city is still need happiness itself, ladies and gentlemen. And how about the happiness here is cannot characterize about how what about material, about this and this. We can see how what kind of happiness that needed by city here is just not about the money here, ladies and gentlemen. It's not about truly how many of financial, how many of money that get from the richest man, which is Mang Oleh here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what if city is not enjoy with the Mang Oleh itself, ladies and gentlemen? Because we can simply see that city is just sick for money, ladies and gentlemen. What if city is sick for the truly love here, ladies and gentlemen? Let's see what happened here. The scenario is like Mang Oleh is the richest man, and because of the richest man here, he want to propose city to be his wife, ladies and gentlemen. Where is the effort of the love here, ladies and gentlemen? Let's see. Love is not a sacrifice here, ladies and gentlemen. Love is just not a material. Love is just not how rich as you are. but love is about how you can create a bonding with your partner, how you can create the relationship, good relationship with a partner, and how you can connect with each other with your partner here, ladies and gentlemen. How you still respect about the commitment here, ladies and gentlemen. On the other side, we still believe that Siti still have the relationship with Tejo. And then before I jump to my opposition team, I would like to give rebuttal for the government team. First, they mentioned about how the better future for the city, and then they want to break up with Tejo and then marry Mang Oleh for the better life in the future. Let's jump for the first one about the better future. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see. It's not just simply see if Siti just being the wife of Mang Oleh, she will get a better future. Let's see what will happen if the richest man is propose a girl to get married. Of course, the richest man here as the control how he want to how he want to know how he want to going on with his future, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what is the Oleh to propose it as his wife. Is it about the material? Is about the money? Of course not, ladies and gentlemen. We can believe that there is no commitment here since City get the proposed by Mang as his wife, ladies and gentlemen. There's no exact to propose his wife. We believe that there is a possibility of divorce because Mang Oleh want to need another girl to become his wife, something like polygamy exists. How polygamy is exists right now, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, Siti will not get the happiness at the very first place, ladies and gentlemen. And about the how they said about the feeling can change, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, like my statement before, I believe that how the feeling and then find another girl. Let's see what will happen. It will create a city bad relationship, and then her future there is not a good for her future, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, before I continue.
You do realize that Mang Oleh is the one who proposed, right? And he's the one who knows that Siti doesn't have anything, and he doesn't have anything. So why are you saying that Mang Oleh is going to be the one betraying?
Yes, ladies
when Mang
and
Oleh is the
gentlemen,
one.
we see that how the government never mentioned about what already happened, what already doing by Mang Oleh here. He just proposed a city to be his wife, but the government team never mentioned about what Mang Oleh already doing here. Ladies and gentlemen, Mang Oleh never doing an effort, something like how Tejo going to Malaysia to get a job, and then how he sacrifices life for the for city, something like that, and then they have a promise to get a marriage in the 5 years, ladies and gentlemen. How the true relationship has already happened here, ladies and gentlemen. How the true love already happened here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's jump to our substantial as the opposition team. First, we believe that how the true love is exists here, ladies and gentlemen. If you become a city here, if you have a commitment to join a good relationship with Tejo, of course you don't want to betray Tejo, and then you still have a commitment with your partner, ladies and gentlemen. If you believe that if you just believe that you just stick for the financial, of course you will shame yourself as the relationship of Tejo at the very first place, ladies and gentlemen. Where is your respect for Tejo at the very first place, ladies and gentlemen? Of course, we see that how Tejo already struggle for her life, survive even though he has the income low income at the very first place, ladies and gentlemen. He still struggle to get the better financial for their future, how they can guarantee city life in the future, and then the truly love already become the fundamental of this relationship, ladies and gentlemen. But what if the scenario with the Mang Oleh, ladies and gentlemen? There is not a good relationship as a fundamental of this marriage, ladies and gentlemen. Mang Oleh just depend with his material, ladies and gentlemen. Just depend with his money, ladies and gentlemen. There is no true relationship here, ladies and gentlemen. There is no bonding here, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, the bad relationship will be happen if Siti accept the proposal from Mang Oleh itself, ladies and gentlemen. And the second one is about how the essence of happiness is not about everything about the money, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see, what if your parents just decide your marriage with the richest man, but you don't agree with your parents, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, you will feel the burden at the very first place, ladies and gentlemen. You feel this relationship, ladies and gentlemen, not your parents, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't agree with your parents, of course, you will reject your parent decision, and then you going with Tejo to get the good relationship and then marriage at to be the happiness at in the future, ladies and gentlemen. If you just think about the material, but you don't think what is happiness itself. You just shame yourself as the woman here, ladies and gentlemen. You will never get the long-term benefit at the very first place, ladies and gentlemen, because we believe that how money here is the short-term, ladies and gentlemen. Money can easily waste by the person, ladies and gentlemen. Money can spend easily by the person, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, we said that how the truly happiness cannot stand at the very first place by the government they mentioned before. And the third one is about how the value of woman is very focusing here, ladies and gentlemen. If you stand as the woman here, if you stand as the truly woman here, if someone propose you, which is he is the richest man in your village, but if you just think about the money itself, where is your value as a woman? Where is your value of become the woman here? Of course, you already degrading of the essence of woman. How the woman should be respected at the very first place by the man itself, ladies and gentlemen. How can your essence of woman can buy the money, ladies and gentlemen? Of course, you will be shaped as the real woman here, ladies and gentlemen. You already betrayed the commitment of the truly lovely here, ladies and gentlemen. What will happen with Tejo is your fault, ladies and gentlemen. If Tejo depressed or sometimes if Tejo stressed at the future, is your fault as city at the very first place. Thank you.
Leader opposition has already spent 8 minutes and 26. To continue, I'd like to invite Prime Minister. Time is yours.
Am I audible? Thank you. Give me a minute. All right. Whew. Right. So, whoa, wait, my speech hasn't started. I would like to respond to the opposition side of the house. They are overly demonizing rich people as manipulative and heartless people. The fact that they said that because Mangole has the most power, has the most power and has richness, he's going to be the one to control the household. That is just irrational, right? That is just absolutely irrational, because considering the fact that Mangole is a man, like my first speaker already said, Mangole is a good person, right? Mangole is a good person, so no, he's not going to do that. That is way too drastic. And second of all, the point about polygamy, how Mangole would want to propose to another woman, that's too extreme. How much polygamy really does happen here? Granted, there's a lot, but when it comes to polygamy, the first wife has to say yes to it. So we think that is too extreme, and even if that was the case, no, we don't justify that at all, and that's a little out of the topic. Now, jumping into my rebuttals, the first rebuttal I would like to make is about the better future, is about the value of a woman. Okay, what is the value of a woman? The value of a woman is not just as a woman. In society's eyes, you are the future mother of your children. You are the ones to take care of your children. Your children are your number one priority, and also at the same time being there for your husband, right? But the value of a woman isn't just necessarily how many relationships has the woman been into. Okay, the value of a woman is how much she can sustain her household. That is a value of a woman, and money does play a part in it. You need to be the ones. Okay, the husband is the one who finds the money, and the wife manages the money for the children, for the husband, for the children's education, for herself. That is a woman's worth. And if a woman doesn't even have the money to begin with, there really isn't any worth. So that just proves you why it is better to go with Mang Ole, who has money, than Tejo, who doesn't have much or doesn't have anything. Now, mind you, another point I would like to point out is, mind you, Mang Ole is the one who proposed Siti. So basically, it is Mang Ole who wants to commit to Siti and not the other way around. No, Siti will not be seen as a gold digger, but she will be seen as a rational person. She will be seen as rational because she chose somebody who chose to commit to her, not just and able to sustain her life, her family in the future as well. Now, Tejo, on the other hand, he only has love. Love isn't enough. Both sides agree that love isn't enough. It's trust. It's how much you can. It's how much the husband can provide for your family. Tejo can't provide for the family. Mang Ole, on the other hand, can. So this will be the most rational and what brings happiness to Siti. Now, further extensions. Further extensions. The first thing I would like to the first argument I would like to extend is how a relationship isn't just about love. It's like I said in the beginning, it's about trust and etc. Now, for Tejo, here's the thing. Tejo is all the way in Malaysia. Siti is in Java, right? Both of them, Siti has no income. Tejo has little income. Now, this is not beneficial for either of them because Tejo is away. So this is a big risk to their trust and their loyalty. Why is this a big risk? Tejo is all the way in Malaysia. They're not near each other, and Tejo isn't providing enough for Siti. All of that feelings can be lost isn't providing. So Siti could end up Siti could end up leaving Tejo for someone else because of that. Tejo as well, whilst he is in Malaysia, Siti isn't there to support her emotionally, and he is working his butt He's working his butt to provide for Siti, but Siti doesn't give him emotional support. So what can happen? Tejo can end up finding somebody who is there for him in Malaysia. So because the other person he found in Malaysia is there to support him emotionally, it's more worth for Tejo to support for this woman instead of Siti. That is why it's not beneficial for both Siti and Tejo, because this puts too much to the test. Mang Ole, on the other hand, Mang Ole is there in Sukasaya. Mang Ole can give her both emotional, both financial support. And this is better for Siti because she is the one who has to build the family in the future.
Ma'am,
She's
before
the
you
one
continue,
who is-
ma'am.
If that's a POI, no. She's the one who has to build the financial state. She's the one who has to take care of the family. So, and she needs somebody to lead the household. How are you supposed to lead a household when you're not even there? This is a woman. A woman should be treated, a woman should be protected by a man. A woman shouldn't, in a household, in a relationship you want to work, a woman is the one that's to be protected. A woman is the one that pushes the man from behind. And who is she gonna push? And the woman, who is she gonna push when the man isn't even there? Mang Ole is always there for Siti. Now, the financial will affect the family. If she goes with Tejo, this is long term. This is a long term benefit because if she is with Mang Ole, he has money, so he can give his child financial for like the future education, let's say, and even like vacations or the needs like technology and everything. Technology is necessary, by the way, especially in a time like this. How are they going to afford a good technology with Tejo when he can only provide for two? And then for Siti's family, Siti is their child, right? So if anything happens to Siti, if anything happens to Siti's parents, they have Siti. But if Siti is with Tejo, what does she have? She can't provide for her parents as well. It's not just about Siti and her family that she built, by the way. It's also with her parents as well. Her parents need somebody as well. And that somebody that is more suitable for a son-in-law is Mang Oleh, because Mang Oleh can take care of Siti's family. And also love can change. The thing about love is that love can turn into hatred if Tejo cannot provide correctly for Siti. If Tejo cannot provide Siti's necessary needs and Siti's children that she cares so much about, he will be seen as irresponsible. He will be seen as annoying, that he can't fulfill his manly duties, so she will just leave. It's not about feelings. It's not about just about feelings. It's also about rationality. It's more rational for Siti to take Mangoleh. And also Mangoleh and also Mangoleh, given the fact that he was in a relationship. He knows how to treat a woman right. Now, if you are treating a woman right, if you treat a woman right and you support her with financial stability, she will fall for you. And that feeling will last longer. Even after Mangoleh dies, she has all of the times that Mangoleh treats her well and all of the wealth he left. So she isn't in financial instability even after Mang Oleh is gone. That is all for my arguments. That is why we are proud to oppose this motion. I propose this motion, I mean.
Deputy Prime Minister have already spent 8 minutes and 23 seconds. To continue the opposition case, I would like to invite Deputy Leader Opposition, Tam Iswar, here.
Excuse me, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Right.
But it's better to you to put your microphone in front of your mouth. Yeah, just like that.
Thank you. This will start from 3 to what? Right, ladies and gentlemen, talking about the relationship, the relationship, as my first speaker mentioned before, the way to have a happiness, the way to have it, the way to show our effort of everything of our plan, ladies and gentlemen. Going to the opposite, going to the argument from the government side mentioned, there were 2 points mentioned from the government side that I got the rebut, and I got the I got the response. Like first is about the value of the woman, said from my first speaker. And then the government side mentioned Siti will become a mother in the future. That's the value of a woman. So we need to protect and prioritize our child in the future. Ladies and gentlemen, now is not a Siti Nurbaya era, ladies and gentlemen. If we want to take care of our children, we need to give them also a good knowledge to our children. For the examples, it is just easily Siti can be a Mang Oleh wife, and then when Siti have a child, and then the value of knowledge to be appreciate someone is never there, because Siti is become a wife of Mang Oleh, and then his son his son, for example, if Siti have a son, what happened if this son feel on how on how the Tejo is feeling itself, on how the son feel as same as Tejo right now when he break out from this relationship, and then his son is all right, I'll bring the clear scenario here. City has a son, and then his son has a girlfriend. For the examples, as same as on how Mang Oleh want to get married with City, and on how this son as a Tejo, and then this son has a girlfriend, and his girlfriend want to break out with his relationship because this girlfriend find another happiness just by a money. On how this feeling your son this city's son feeling, and how the stage of feelings that really hard and never appreciate each other, ladies and gentlemen. That's on how the feedback will be happen with you. If you believe with that, you will find another future that's you cannot planning a better future always in the future, a better things always in the future. But everything will be happen, even if right now you have so much money, you have a richest, you become a richest man or richest woman in the world. In the future, maybe tomorrow, you cannot know on how the tomorrow happen. Will you still be a richest man or not, ladies and gentlemen? Talking about the second thing, the Tejo 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 will find a person in Malaysia because the government side always glorify that, and give the assumptions about the long distance relationship isn't give a feedback toward a city, because Tejo that didn't even cannot fulfill the city's needed, ladies and gentlemen. We believe, if we believe with our true love, if we believe our effort to keep and hold our relationship, that's really matter for long distance relationship, to keep their long term relationship, ladies and gentlemen. And then jump into my argument about the benefit, if in the future implications, if the city still in a relationship with Tejo and say no with Mang Oleh. First, we are not only no when City become a marriage with Tejo, it means we are not only know the essence of waiting of our true love, but City will learn how to get something. Is it not easy, ladies and gentlemen? From relationship with Tejo, we learn to appreciate a love, waiting him till they get back, till they till they back till they back again, and then realize of our planning. That's 5 years later they will marry each other. And then number two is, even Tejo just have a low income, he just as a low income worker, but he work like he still has the income. Uh, they still have a possibility, but I think that's a higher possibility to fulfill a city's life and also her parents' life, because he works. Even though even though he is not richest as Mang Oleh right now, but Tejo can show his effort to be a workers, instead of just finding woman because of money, ladies and gentlemen. And then second one is Siti and her family. In the future will have a good name in Sukayasa village, maybe, and or as a role model to be a woman who can maintain, who can hold your love, even you promise, even you even you even you see a money in the future, even you see bright future, just always a money. If you can hold your true love, you can City will be a role model of another woman. This is the value of woman itself, on how my first speaker mentioned before, ladies and gentlemen, and how the condition of our relationship, we can exhibit, and we can stand and hold our true love. That will be a main thing if you are as a woman. For the examples, if you stand as a woman, is that just easily you can buy, for example, you see a money and you can buy just for a money itself, ladies and gentlemen. I think that's a really, it seems just easily you can move to another person, because you see money, you see much money, and then when in the tomorrow you see more money than you got right now, will you move anymore? Will you move again? I think that's not it's really not, it's not about on how the money can fulfill yourself and can buy your happiness. uh and then also for the last things is about uh on how the parents of city will support cities, to get married with Mang Ole. If we if we think as a parent side, our parents will keep the child, and will support the child if the child or if city happy with their choice, if city happy with their decision. The parents can give a solution or can give us a suggestion, but the parents overall or exactly and absolutely cannot give the decision, the true decisions of cities decision, ladies and gentlemen. And then if we see in a side of true love itself, on how my first speaker mentioned before, we need to bring more better things for our generation in the future. If we have a child in the future, if city have a child, for example, from with if city marriage with Tejo, that will be give a true appreciate, a true things to appreciate, to knowledge, true knowledge to appreciate a love. Then we a city can city can give a knowledge to his children to appreciate love more than cities do. Thank you.
Well, Deputy Leader Opposition has already spent time 3 minutes and 30 seconds to to close the government case. Would like to invite government whip. Time is yours.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, but speak louder.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Rp6.000, Cing.
How's my speech in 3? Sorry.
Louder, please.
Anyway. I will start with the one. Thanos, I think the problem with the opposition side of the house is, I think that the opposition side of the house is a little bit too idealistic, just a little bit. They say that loyalty is, they say that true love is everything, true love outweighs money. But in the end of the day, you have to realize that we are living in a modern world, not in a Disney princess world, right? Money is everything. Money is crucial for you to sustain your love, to sustain your family, to sustain your household in the first place. And therefore, the opposition side of the house just kind of misses the point. Also, the opposition side of the house, I kind of feel bad for the Mang Oleh, to be honest, because in the end of the day, the opposition side of the house seemed to mischaracterize Mang Oleh as trying to marry Siti. To trying to buy City as if City is just a tool. Manos, let's just went back to the mechanism, to the background that already provided by my Prime Minister. City is single, young, and she has no income, and she lives in a small village with her parents. What does it mean? It means two things. First, Mang Oleh cannot have the more money, right? And the second, Mang Oleh, by marrying, wanting to marry Siti, he has also the burden of sustaining Siti's parents. And therefore, it means that Mang Oleh has more to lose compared to Siti. Now, then the reasonable thing to ask is then why? Why Mang Oleh wanted to marry Siti in the first place? Well, because he loved him. That is the point. The opposition side of the house seem to assume that the
that Tejo is the only actor that are loving to Siti. While the truth is, Mang Oleh is also love Siti. After all, you don't get to propose a random person in the street, like you propose a person because you love them and you already have. Okay, moving on to the independent be remembered as the loyal guy and will have a good name in the village and so far and so forth. We say it's not going to happen. Siti will be remembered as the silly member of the village. Why? Because she had the chance to socially advance, to do social climbing, and in the easier way possible. However, she refused it. Remember, we are living in a world that is so capitalistic and so money centric right now that in the end of the day the concept of love in the end have to merge with the money. And moving on to the second
Before you continue,
independent battle.
please.
No,
POI?
thank you. No, before the second independent battle is that we don't know the future. The deputy leader of opposition said, we don't know the future whether or not Mang Oleh will still be the richest guy in the village. And I say that it is true. We don't know the future. However, it is less riskier and more rational for Siti to stick to move in with Mang Oleh, because even if tomorrow he's not going to be the richest, he's still able to more likely to sustain the relation, to sustain economically and financially the life of her and her family as well. And therefore, we say that the opposition argument is cannot stand. Moving on to the crisis, we have two crises in this debate. The first is whether or not Mang Oleh will be able to give sustainable future over Tejo, and the second is regarding the third, or should I say fourth actor, such as the children and the parents. Okay, moving on to the first one. The opposition side of the house trying to portray that Tejo is the one who can provide the true love, and it is the fundamental base of everything, right? And it is essential for the happiness of a couple. There are some logical fallacy in this debate, although their point is very good. There are some very bad fallacy. For example, that the fact that is living or income worker. What does it mean? It means that Tejo will have the hard time to sustain the financial needs of Siti and her family. Even more so if they have children, because as we know that children, raising children requires a lot of money. Now, with this thing in mind, Tejo will have a hard time to work and to find the money that he needed. And these difficulties will be the challenge for them, and we will make the true love and true good couple will hard to be achieved in their side, because once you got less money, once you are not able to fulfill the to sustain your family's needs, then it's going to be the fighting, debates, and in the end of the day, more likely
Sir.
they are ended up with
POI,
divorce.
sir.
And therefore, no, thank you. And therefore, we say that the city should go for Mang Oleh instead. How so? Because he already has the financial capability and he has the respect. Okay, let's play with their scenario. What happens if Mang Oleh all of a sudden become broke, which is basically their best possible scenario? We say that Mang Oleh will still able to climb back on top and still stick to City. Why? Because in the end of the day, he has the respect and he has the connection and friendship that he needed from the top to make sure that he able to come back again. And therefore, even in our worst case scenario, City would still be better off with Mang Oleh rather than being with Tejo. And thus we win this class. But before that, yes. POI, anyone? No? Okay. Moving on to the second class. You're late. The second class is regarding the fourth actor, or should I say fourth actors, which is the children and the parents. The our side of the house said that the children needs to be sustained, right? Needs to be our necessity must be fulfilled and their household must be sustained. That is the true value of the woman in the first place, right? However, the opposition side of the house trying to portray that no, by not loyal to Tejo, you are basically giving your children a bad example. Parents, I don't see any reason on why this is actually relevant because in the end of the day, they are actually still loving each other. And even though City left Tejo, it is for the good of the children themselves, and therefore the children will be understanding, and of course the children will not be mad of their parents' decision to marry someone which is more richer and able to sustain their needs, right? And therefore, and the second thing about the parents. Now we say that parents also is the most vulnerable actor in this debate. Why? Because they are already old and they are already needing the care of the city. In the worst case, where their parents became sick, the Mang Oleh is more able to provide the necessary healthcare for her parents compared to Tejo, and that's why for the second class we also win this thing and we win this debate.
Government whip has already spent time at 8 minutes and 27. To close the opposition case, would like to invite opposition whip. Time is your here.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, but speak louder.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the government team failed to prove to us effectively as the how come Mang Oleh can give happiness to city just with the money, ladies and gentlemen. Because we know, ladies and gentlemen, money is not enough to make city happy, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a commitment, which is that's mean city already love Tejo and Tejo already love city, ladies and gentlemen. It means city should choose which one they she should choose Tejo or Mang Oleh, ladies and gentlemen. Tejo is the one who she loves, and Mang Oleh is they don't know who he is, ladies and gentlemen, because they didn't have a relationship before, and why city should choose Mang Oleh than Tejo, ladies and gentlemen, because as we know that, are you sure that money enough to make city happy? Because the biggest problem in this debate is how which one more make city happy, Tejo or Mang Oleh, money or love, ladies and gentlemen. So that's why the opposition team believe, so that's why the opposition team believes that effectively city will be more happy with Tejo, ladies and gentlemen, because Tejo is the one who she loves, ladies and gentlemen. And also, ladies and gentlemen, we do believe that also as the government team, they fail to give us the explanation about how can city love with Mang Oleh, ladies and gentlemen, in the end of the day. Because we know that effectively at the status quo right now, city still love a Tejo, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, it's a very hard when you leave the someone who you love, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, we do believe that the first cases bring by the government team, they said effectively money is a very, very important. Money, if you have a money, it's mean that your relationship and your love will be better, will be good. But actually, ladies and gentlemen, in this modern and this modern life, ladies and gentlemen, many people, even they already have a very good financial, they still get a divorce, ladies and gentlemen. It doesn't mean, it's mean what? It's mean money is not everything, ladies and gentlemen. Money is important. It's not everything, ladies and gentlemen. Look at Jeff Bezos with their wife in the past, ladies and gentlemen. What happened? Jeff Bezos, even he asked the richest man in the world still get divorced with their wife. It's mean what? It's mean love is more important than money, ladies and gentlemen.
Yo,
So that's
I.
thank you. So that's why, ladies and gentlemen, we as the opposition team still stick with our cases. If actually love is more important than money, ladies and gentlemen, in these cases, ladies and gentlemen. And the second cases in here is just like I said, because as the government team believe that effectively city will become happy with Mang Oleh because the city have a much money, ladies and gentlemen, and city will not happy with a Tejo because city not have a money enough, ladies and gentlemen, in the future after married with Tejo, ladies and gentlemen. But ladies and gentlemen, we do believe that if we're talking about happiness, of course, it's not only about money, ladies and gentlemen. We believe that eventually just many people in the modern life right now, even you love someone with you love with someone who don't have a rich uh, don't have a much money and you still can be together with him, you very happy with it, ladies and gentlemen. It's mean what? It's mean like if we're talking about happiness, it's not always about money, ladies and gentlemen, which is the together to the if we can stay with someone who we love, it can make us happy. And of course, in these cases, we do believe that city will become more happy with a Tejo, ladies and gentlemen. Even there's so struggle in the financial problem, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, we do believe that struggle together to build a family is a more happy than you stay with someone who you don't love with him, and then you just have money. And how can happiness come, ladies and gentlemen? That is not explained by the uh, government team, ladies and gentlemen, because they always say effectively if Mang Oleh have money and city will be happy. But ladies and gentlemen, the cases is which is how come the money can make city happy, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, maybe their financial problem will be fulfilled by the Mang Oleh. But how about the emotional problem in the relationship, ladies and gentlemen? Like we know, if actually, if you uh, don't have a chemistry with someone, for example, in this cases, it's Siti and Mang Oleh. In this case, Siti and Mang Oleh is the people who didn't have a relation, chemistry yet, ladies and gentlemen. And Siti already have a chemistry with Tejo, ladies and gentlemen. So that's why they're falling in love. And this case is how if actually chemistry not happen in their relationship, of course, in the end of the day, Mang Oleh will be
Yo,
not
I.
happy and also not happy, ladies and gentlemen. So that's why we can, as the opposition team, we believe that effectively city will become more happy without Tejo, ladies and gentlemen. Because first, city can stay with someone who she loves, and second, ladies and gentlemen, even city have much money, it doesn't mean they will happy with Mang Oleh, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, and the third cases in these cases is actually for the children's future and for the parents betterness, they believe that if actually Mang Oleh can provide better than Tejo, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, from the financial sector only, ladies and gentlemen, in these cases, ladies and gentlemen. We do believe that if actually Tejo still can fulfill it, like my second speaker explanation, ladies and gentlemen, because of course Tejo don't want make the someone who she loves become sad. So that's why they will struggle in the and in the future, ladies and gentlemen. So that's why we believe that effectively they can struggle together to solve the problem in the financial sector, ladies and gentlemen. And the last one, the thesis, is about the woman value, ladies and gentlemen. We do believe that effectively in these cases, which is Tejo and Siti already made a commitment, ladies and gentlemen, to stay together after 5 years, ladies and gentlemen. How can you, as the woman, betray the really true love commitment in these cases, ladies and gentlemen, which is Tejo already hard work for you to uh, for can stay together with City, ladies and gentlemen. It's already Tejo already hard work to get you as the wife, ladies and gentlemen. But in the other side, because only about the financial, only about the money, you live a tejo, ladies and gentlemen. You live your true love, ladies and gentlemen. We do believe that. And I think as the government team also believe that if actually tejo is a true love of the city, ladies and gentlemen, it's mean like uh, of course, ladies and gentlemen, as the woman feel you want to stay with someone who you love, ladies and gentlemen. In this case, ladies and gentlemen, and we believe that if actually even you have much money, it doesn't mean your value as a woman is a good thing if you betray the commitment with your true love, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, the woman value we do believe that if actually you committed with your you commit with your boyfriend and you do it, ladies and gentlemen. So that's why we do believe that if actually woman value cases in the position oppose this motion. Thank you.
Opposition whip have already spent an 8 minutes and 29 seconds. Let's invite reply speaker from the opposition. Time is your here.
Am I doable?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So I'll start my speech in 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, until the end of the speech and at the end of the debate, we can see how the government already failed to clarify, to prove to us why money is important for the relationship, ladies and gentlemen. Why money is important for this city and Mang Oleh itself, ladies and gentlemen. Why money is important for the city happiness, ladies and gentlemen. But they can even mention about why the essence of love is the money can apprehend the essence of love itself, ladies and gentlemen. They already failed to clarify to us why the essence of love is not needed for the betterment of the city in the future, ladies and gentlemen. And from the class of the government and the opposition team, we can simply see how their third point in this debate is about the how the city's future and about the how the happiness for the city's parents and about the kids for cities itself, ladies and gentlemen. For the first one is about the how the city's future is will be better if city will with Mang Oleh, ladies and gentlemen. But in our scenario, let's see how the money is can buy anything, ladies and gentlemen. Something like how money can buy the love itself, ladies and gentlemen. We already find the example of the money can buy the happiness in the our love itself for our speaker before mentioned about the richest man, the one of the richest man in the world, Jeff Bezos, is divorced with his wife, even though he has the lot of money or something like extremely a lot of money in his life, ladies and gentlemen. So how can we can guarantee the money can maintain the essence of the marriage itself in the future, ladies and gentlemen? That is the lack from the government team. And also we said that about what in our themes we said about how the true love is the important for the marriage itself, ladies and gentlemen. It's not hard to awaiting Tejo for 5 years for the marriage itself, ladies and gentlemen. On the other side, they already have the commitment right now, ladies and gentlemen, on how for the good future, it's all will be possible happen in if the city married with Tejo itself, ladies and gentlemen, because we believe that how the commitment between city and Tejo already happened at the very first place. Instead of Mang Oleh and City, ladies and gentlemen, because we can see how the struggle from the Tejo for the love of City, how the struggle from Tejo survive, sacrifice for his life to be the worker to the Malaysia for just for the love of City is very amazing, ladies and gentlemen. We see that how Tejo right here is very focusing on how the bonding and the relationship with City. That's why he struggled for the marriage itself, ladies and gentlemen. And the second one is about the essence of happiness from the parents, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what will happen if your parent just pursue the material material, but either or neglecting your will be sitting in Rubaya era, ladies and gentlemen. Your parents never give you a chance for your decision to the happiness, ladies and gentlemen. Happiness is not about the money. Happiness is not about the material itself, ladies and gentlemen. Happiness is not about the financial, ladies and gentlemen. If Mang Oleh can fulfill the financial better rather than Tejo, but how can you guarantee Mang Oleh can fulfill the emotional benefit for city, ladies and gentlemen? Let's see what will happen if the richest man have the power for the money itself, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, he can easily betray or cheating from city in the future, ladies and gentlemen.
Check,
Hello.
check, check.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Am I audible?
Sorry. Yeah, you are audible, but I think there is something with replay speaker from the oppositions.
It appears.
Made Dwika, are you okay? Check, check.
That's all the point from the
Opposition.
government. And about the value of money, a woman by the money. Of course, how can woman is this
Order, order. Check, check. Opposition, are you okay?
Yes, I'm sorry. My connection is not stable.
Okay, so time is over.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. So it's time for government reply to give some.
Right. All right. Whew. So the opposition side of the House said that we haven't proved how money can create love. Okay, this is literally the one thing we've been doing since first speaker and even until third speaker. How can money create love? The love that we can create is this person supports financial needs. If this person doesn't support financial needs, then how will I love this? How will I love a guy who doesn't even support anything from me? As a woman, I'm not worth like a cheap guy who can't get anything from me. Okay, so the fact that they said that, there's two possibilities: they don't engage with us or they're deaf. They said they are missing the point here about the value of woman. The thing is, this isn't like City is going for a sugar daddy, right? City should go with Mangoleh because first of all, Mangoleh loves her. Mangoleh can treat her right. Mangoleh can support her financially. As for Tejo isn't even there for City, and he can't support financially and also emotionally as well. So it is too risky for, and Tejo only has enough to support for the two of them, but for the long term and for the bigger picture, for the community, for the family, for City's family, for City's parents, it is not beneficial to go with Tejo. It is more beneficial to go with Mangoleh. That is what we have proven because Mangoleh, the son-in-law, will be the one to provide healthcare, will be the one to be there for his parents-in-law. So next up, um opposition hasn't played a scenario where City falls out of love with Tejo because, like we know, Tejo doesn't have any money or anything to provide for City and the future that he's going to build for City. So the thing is, City doesn't only love Tejo, right? City has a family, City has children, City will have children, City has parents, and she also has to look out for all of them, being the woman that she is. So if Tejo cannot help her with that, she will fall out of love because Tejo isn't there to support financially and emotionally for her to fulfill those needs, to fulfill those necessities that she is obligated to fulfill. So, and then next up, opposition is too idealistic. They're playing as if this is some Disney character where a prince is just going, where money doesn't matter as long as you live together, bro. In this world, money matters. Okay, the fact that you live in a world where you need to afford, now it's not just about food, it's about technology, it's about education, it's about housing. All of that matters, and Tejo cannot provide that. So Mangoleh will be So Mangoleh will be more reasonable, and also their idea of community will see Siti as a great woman because she is loyal for staying with Tejo after all of that work. The only thing society will see is, hey Siti, are you dumb? Had the chance to upgrade your social, had the love, and this poor boy Tejo, you decide to stay with Tejo, and what about your other suffering? Idiot. That is what the society will see, and not how loyal this person is. Then they said that they're going to give a better example, but in our side of the house, the example for children is so much better. Why? Because Mangoleh will be there. Mangoleh will be there at all times. Mangoleh will be there to provide for the children. This is a good example here. This is speaking from my personal experience. My father wasn't there that much in my life. My father has always been busy. My father has always been out of the house, and I hardly see him. But what is the effect on me? The effect on me is I don't know how a man should treat me, because I don't see my father that much, and I don't and I don't know what a man should be doing to me, or how a man should provide me. I don't know any of that because I don't see my father very much. Tejo here works all the way in Malaysia, and he has low income, by the way, so he can't always come home. My father can come home anytime he wants because he has money, but like my father, the effects has been bad for me, especially for Tejo and his future children, where his father can't always come home. So of course, Mangoleh will be so much better instead of Tejo. That is all for my argument. That is all for my reply speech. Thank you.
Well, replace speaker have already spent 4 minutes and 27. Okay, guys, it's really interesting
Thank
debate.
you.
You may leave this breakout room. Thank you, everyone.
Yep, thank you.
Thank you. You may leave
It's
the
great
breakout room,
debate.
guys.
Ah,
For the educator, we may stay in.
Yeah, for the educators, just stay here because we are going to take our time.
Oke, siap Kak Iwan, Kak Ucup. I will stay here.
Thank you, chairs.
Yeah, I will stay here with love. Ya. Sorry, debater, you may leave this breakout room. Thank you.
Debaters, please.
Assalamualaikum
Iya,
warahmatullahi
Cing. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Kita lagi makan BBC.
Lagi makan apa?
BBC.
Kita saya lagi.
BBC.
Ah?
BBC.
What is BBC?
BBC.
Apa BBC?
Jadi ini anjing.
Black Big Cock.
Roni. Lu yang jadi gue.
Ya. Gimana
Come on,
dong, Kak?
guys.
Oke, menurut
Iya.
aku aja ini tuh clear.
Vote aja langsung. Vote aja.
Ya udah,
langsung.
kalian apa?
Aku,
Ya, aku golf.
Aku golf.
Aku golf. Aku golf.
Aku op sih.
Aku golf. Kenapa? Silahkan share.
Yang pertama sih menurut aku kamu.
Iya, bencong. Kenapa?
Karena pertama adalah dari tim opposition seharusnya mereka itu bisa menang dengan the idea of the real love. Tapi yang dari tim opposition mereka tidak menggede-gedekan the idea of sacrificing, the idea of
Here.
ups and down sebagai seorang pasangan itu kayak gimana.
Here.
To love each other no matter what gitu. Jadinya itu seharusnya mereka akan menang di sana gitu. Gimana bahwa kayak sebenarnya money itu can be defeated by the idea of true love. Tapi mereka kurang gede-gede the idea of mereka ini saling sayang dan mereka udah up and downs together. Jadinya they have to commit the commitment. Nah, yang kurang dari tim opposition juga adalah mereka seharusnya bilang bahwa Siti walaupun dia nikah sama Tejo, Siti family will be fine. Kenapa? Nomor 1, Siti itu coming dari traditional family, which is dia itu bukan modern woman, bukan liberal woman yang punya banyak banget demand, tapi dia itu adalah traditional woman yang sebenarnya fine-fine aja walaupun hidup miskin gitu. Yang kedua, dia itu udah 25 tahun hidup sama orang tuanya yang miskin gitu. So it will be fine karena dia udah directly experiencing a poor life gitu. Jadinya dia itu bukan Awkarin yang tiba-tiba harus nikah sama orang miskin gitu. Karena dia itu datang dari orang miskin sendiri. Jadinya she will be fine anyway to marry with Tejo even if Tejo is a poor one. Cuman dari opposition mereka nggak bilang itu. Nah, the idea of love. Yang pertama, tadi dari tim opposition bilang, well, money itu nggak bakal buat orang happy, tapi yang bakal buat orang happy adalah money plus commitment. Don't you realize kalau Maoleh juga punya komitmen? That's the reason why Maoleh mau nikah sama ini. Maoleh punya uang, komitmen. Gitu. Jadinya tim opposition nggak bisa balance that point. Gitu.
Here.
Terus the idea of value of woman. Tadi the value of woman ini, tadi dari tim government bilang kalau value of woman ya bisa provide a better place for their family dong gitu. Tapi dari tim opposition bilang no, value of woman itu ketika mereka bisa menghargai satu sama lain dan segala macam. Jadinya ini bakal dilihat sebagai role model gitu. Kenapa Den Siti bakalan sacrifice orang
Jadi
tuanya
role model
sampai akhir dengan the idea of aku pengen terlihat sebagai cewek yang bisa jadi role model nih, jadi nggak apa-apa deh kalau agak cover gitu. Jadinya kan nggak nyambung ke sana gitu. Nah,
ya aku juga nulis itu kenapa burden dari Siti itu sebagai role model itu nggak dijelasin sama off.
Ya itu jadinya kayak emang purpose, kalau emang itu purpose kamu jadi role model, nggak usah kamu nggak usah kamu nikah sama si Tejo, jadi aja orang yang misalkan jadi guru di desanya, misalkan atau jadi orang baik di desanya, itu juga termasuk role model. Jadinya it doesn't necessarily will be count as a good argument menurut gue. Nah, terus dan juga mereka tadi juga kurang analisis of the idea of kenapa Siti ini it's okay to sacrifice the feeling in other to make the family will be better. Jadinya yang bakal dianalisis itu adalah it's okay to suffer gara-gara kita putusin orang yang kita cinta gitu. Dia itu harus proses the idea of suffering-nya itu. Nggak apa-apa deh kita putusin, nggak apa-apa deh kita suffer dulu berapa bulan gara-gara aku putusin true love-ku, tapi at the end of the day parents-ku bakalan bahagia juga gitu. Jadinya dia juga nggak analisis di bagian sana gitu. Nah, terus yang kurang dari bos tim itu adalah mereka itu terlalu idealism dua-duanya. Yang pertama adalah yang dari tim opposition bilang kalau Tejo itu akan bahagia bersama Siti, yang dari government bilang bahwa Maoleh bakal bahagia bersama Siti gitu. Tapi kan ada loh, mereka nggak analisis the idea of broke up atau perceraian gitu. Seharusnya mereka analisis perceraiannya juga. Mereka nggak bisa bilang kayak, well, mereka nggak bakal cerai. Karena kita di sini nggak debatin siapa yang bakal cerai duluan, siapa yang enggak gitu. Yang kita analisis adalah, it's okay to do divorce. Karena itu adalah the lesson of life gitu. Even Gading Martin dan Giselle pun mereka divorce gitu. Jadinya divorce itu is the common thing. Jadinya kita nggak debatin siapa yang bakal cerai duluan, siapa yang enggak gitu. Itu sih menurut aku. Jadi kayak gitu, Cing. Ada pertanyaan, guys?
Aku sama kayak kamu, Cing.
Oh iya.
Ya, silakan, Cing.
Ya, Cing.
Oke.
Cing yang mana?
Aku ngelihat debate-nya itu berbeda banget nih. Hah? Kok tinggal 6 second sih? Bahwa yang government ini terlalu too practical menurutku, kalau yang opposition going to be philosophis one first gitu. Itu pertama sih.
Tapi filosofisnya nggak ngena menurut aku.
Wait, makanya nanti aku jelasin.
Oh iya.
Oke, kenapa sih si government ini nggak bisa nge-achieve filosofisnya itu loh, gitu loh. Karena pertama dia mau ngebuktiin nih Maoleh itu love Siti itu very much gitu, makanya dia nge-propose si si ini.
Cup ingat tinggal 24 menit lagi, 20 detik lagi.
Lewat WA.
Dekat
Yo
will close.
Allahu Akbar apa? Apa dong yang sama Ubit kalau 24 detik? Close dah.
Ya udah lewat WA
Kita
si
juga udah
kampret.
vote.
Oh ya udah.
WA ada ayo. WA ada ayo.
Aku tetap golf.
Aku mau ngepersu pokoknya ini dengar Mak.
Hi guys, we will proceed to the announcement in 10 minutes. Kaju, I think all the ballots are in. Announcement in 3 minutes. Guys, dear kakak-kakak Eju yang lupa untuk menyetop recordingnya. You haven't stop recording? Oh my god, you haven't.